In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your task list, add new tasks, customize them with dates and reminders, attach files, and mark things complete so you can stay on top of your day. Start by opening your browser and heading to outlook.live.com. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that. Once your mailbox loads, look at the left-hand side of the screen and find the To-Do section. It's the area dedicated to managing tasks within Outlook on the web. Click it to open your task lists. Inside To Do, you'll see your lists and any existing tasks. To add something new, look for the option labeled Task or the button to create a new task. Click it to start a fresh entry. Give your task a clear, concise title. Something actionable like Send Project Update works better than a vague phrase. If you want, add a note with extra details, links, or quick instructions so you don't forget the context later. Press Enter or Save to add it to your list. Now let's make your task smarter. Add a due date so you know exactly when it needs to be finished. If timing matters, add a specific time. Next, use Remind Me to set a notification before the due date. Think of it as your nudge to get started. If this is something that happens regularly, choose Repeat and pick a schedule like daily, weekly, or monthly. This keeps recurring work from slipping through the cracks. You can also attach files to keep everything in one place. Add a document from your computer or cloud storage so you don't have to hunt for it later. To stay organized, pick a category. Categories are color-coded labels that group similar tasks. Use them for projects, priorities, or teams. Keep your category system simple and consistent so it's easy to scan your list at a glance. As you work, update tasks if plans change, adjust the due date, tweak the reminder, or add notes. When you're done, check the checkbox to mark it complete. The task moves out of your active list and into your completed view. If you checked it by accident, you can quickly undo and bring it back. That's all you need to get productive with Outlook tasks. Open Outlook on the web, go to Do on the left, create a task, add your dates, reminders, and repeats, attach files, choose a category, and check it off when you're done. Try it now with one thing you need to finish today and enjoy the momentum.